In this video, we want to prove this property of logarithms. So let's test it out first with actual numbers, and then we'll go ahead and prove it. So this is saying that if you have the log of some number 8 to base 2, that should equal to 1 over the log, and the 8 becomes a base, and the 2 becomes the number you're taking the log of. Well, the log of 8 on the left side, the log of 8 to base 3, the log of 8 to base 2 is 3, because 2 to the 3 is 8. And over here on this side, it's 1 over, and the log of 2 to base 8, that is 1/3, because 8 to the 1/3 means the cube root of 8, which would be 2. That would check out. And then, of course, 1 divided by 1/3, invert the divisor and multiply, this would equal to 3. So this is just to confirm that it does work for these numbers, but we're going to prove it in general. So let's do it this way. A couple of ways to do it. One way to do it is say the log of b to base a. We want to show it's equal to 1 over log of a to base b. But let's just call this y for now. Let's let log of b to base a equal to y. Then, using the definition of log, we know that b has to equal to a to the y power. Then we can take the log of both sides to base b. So taking the log of both sides here to base b, we get this on the left side, and on the right side, we'll get the log to base b of a to the y. And then the log of b to base b, that's an actual property of logs. This is a 1 here, the base here is the same here. So the left side equals to 1. And then here we bring this over. Another property of logs, this exponent becomes a coefficient, so this will be y log of a to base b. And then we divide both sides here. By the log of a to base b. And this, of course, cancels here. And on the right side, I get a y. On the left side, I get 1 over the log of a to base b. But remember, we started off by letting log of b to base a equal to y. So that means the y can be replaced by the log of b to base a. So there we have it. Log of b to base a does equal to 1 over the log of a to base b. And this is the verification or confirmation of this statement here. We could also work it out this way and say, let's start off with the log of b to base a equals 2, and we're going to change the base now. Using the change of base formula, I can also say this is equal to the log of b, and I'm going to select the new base to be b. In the denominator, we have the log of that same base that we selected to the base of the original log. This is a. Then we can simplify this. The log of b to base b, because the bases are the same. This is a 1 here. This comes out to 1. And then we have the log of a to base b. So again, we've shown that the log of some number b to base a does equal to 1 over the log of a to base b. Another way to show it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.